What I wanted to tell you about today is probably the most handy little bit of kit I ever bought, and I'm known or renowned for buying bits of accessories for my motorbike, but this little bit of kit is absolutely ace, and I'll put a link in below as to where you can get your hands on this. They're cheap, and I'm going to just flip the camera around so I can show you what it is. So here it is. This is a small little extender on my brake lever, which is really, I find it really useful. I find it, believe it or not, I find it easier to brake with this little thing on. It's a bit of metal. You can get them in silver and black. Mine's in silver. You can, I've even thought about painting mine, but I'm not that bothered. Actually, I need to tighten it up. It's a little bit loose. It's got one little hex screw in that holds it in. It's absolutely nothing. I don't know what I can show you with my foot. I put my foot over here. It just gives you that extra little bit of touch when you're looking on the outside of it. Just got to be careful, of course, is if you ride a bit with your foot out, just be careful that your foot doesn't start to drag it, in which case you're dragging your tail light and your brakes on and not know it. But I find the standard brake lever on my R1200GS to be a little bit too small. So this is a really neat bit of kit. Pop over to the link below and grab yourself one. There you go, that's it. I hope you find that useful. If you haven't already got one, then go and grab one. Put your hands on one. It's only a few pounds. They're dirt cheap to buy. And if you have already got one, please do share this video with other people that you know that might like it. Or like to get their hands on one. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. That's always most welcome. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, and next to the subscribe button you'll see a little bell next to the subscribe button, and that will just make sure that when I upload a video you'll get a notification that I've uploaded it. Thanks to everybody who's subscribed to me on the Patreon channel, and thanks for your support, and thanks for everybody who helps to keep this old fart, this motorbike and that camera rolling by sending me Bitcoin. The Bitcoin address is also below. Of course, if you send me Bitcoin, you can be completely anonymous. Long live the blockchain, keep rolling, ride safely, and remember, life always seems that just bit better when you've got your ass on your bike. Bye for now.